Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing the battery or unplugging the charger. This prevents shorts and accidental input. Next, you photograph the keyboard layout so you can restore keys exactly where they belong. Once done, use a keycap puller and compressed air to clear debris. This reveals whether the issue is grime, a stuck switch, or a broken retainer. Make sure to work in good light because seeing small clips and springs matters for the next step. You now remove affected keycaps carefully, pulling straight up to avoid breaking stems. Larger keys require removing stabilizers first. Once removed, clean the exposed area with a 70% plus isopropyl swab and compressed air to dissolve oils and crumbs. This often restores contact. If the key feels mushy or fails to actuate, inspect the switch housing, spring, and retainer. Replacing a worn spring, you finish by reseating stabilizers and pressing keycaps evenly until they click. This ensures correct engagement and prevents wobble. After reconnecting power, test each repaired key and, if possible, run a simple keyboard diagnostic or online key tester to verify electrical actuation. If a key still misbehaves, swap it with a known good switch or replace the keycap assembly. This isolates hardware faults. One tip: if keys register intermittently, recheck solder joints or ribbon cable seating before ordering parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.